Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm just going to do a quick review of the TENS 7000. It stands for Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation. Now, I've owned this unit now for a couple months. I use it to treat back pain. So if you guys are looking for something to treat an ailment that you guys might have, this might be the product for you. Now, inside, what you're going to get when you order this, you will get an instruction manual. You'll also get something to register for a warranty. You'll get a quick reference guide, and then you will also get 4 electrodes here that are supposed to be, when you place them on your body, they're supposed to be a minimum of 2 inches apart, or you can put them up to 6 inches apart. All right, and then you get 2 sets of wires, and obviously you get the unit, and it's powered by a 9-volt battery, and it's got a little clip on here. If you guys want to walk around with it while it's running, you can clip this to your belt. Now, if you guys are looking for something like this and you're wondering what this actually does, basically, there's nothing magic about this particular system. It's intended to relieve pain. So this TENS unit sends really comfortable electrical impulses through the skin that eliminate nerve and or nerves in the treatment area. So like I was saying, for my lower back, I have a weightlifting injury and my back tends to tighten up from time to time. And this actually, if I use this for 20 to 30 minutes every single day, it really helps alleviate a lot of the day-to-day back pain that I have. So if that's something that you're dealing with, then this may be a product you guys may want to think about purchasing. But most cases, the stimulation will greatly reduce or eliminate pain sensations in that you're feeling, okay? So again, this may not be for everybody. I'm not sure if it affects different people different ways, but it definitely has worked really, really well for me. It's non-invasive, drug-free way of controlling pain. So if you're somebody who doesn't like to take drugs like myself, then this might be, again, something that you guys want to check out. So real quickly, I'll show you the unit. It's very easy to set up. You just take these electrodes and you plug them, you take the wires and you plug them into the electrodes, and then you take this end and it goes into the top here, and here. This is where you control the actual intensity of each electrode. And here in the center is where you can set your modes and everything. So real quick, I'll turn it on. And I believe it has 5 or 6 different modes. So if we scroll through the modes, it's got a burst mode, it's got a normal mode, which means it just stays on all the time. And then a modulation, which is just kind of like randomly up and down. You can set the time here. And then if you go to mode, this is a strength and duration 1, and then strength and the duration 2, where it just kind of modulates in between different strengths and durations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different modes. I really personally, I like the burst mode, where it's just kind of like a pulsing over and over again. And you can actually set the how often it pulses, which is really cool there, the rate, the hertz. So you can actually set that particular, so right here, so just like this, you would set how often the hertz is. So this would be more pulses, and this would be less pulses, basically per second. And then here is the way you would set your time. So right here, this is where you would set the length of time that you want it to run. And then obviously they give you some quick instructions here on the inside of this panel. And that's pretty much it for the TENS 7000. Again, this is everything that you'll get inside this particular kit. Comes in this really, really nice case. As you guys can see here, comes in this nice case, so you can, if you want to take it to travel, you can throw it in your suitcase, or you can stick it pretty much anywhere in a backpack or something if you need to take it on the road with you. Definitely recommend, again, picking this up if you guys are having some type of especially lower back pain and you're looking for a non-invasive way of treating it on a day-to-day basis. All right, so that's going to be it for this review. Like most reviews, if you guys could give me a thumbs up, make sure you guys are following my influencer page, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.